What's the meaning of biological weapon? Biological weapon. Biological weapon.
Biological weapon. Biological weapon. A biological weapon is a type of weapon that uses biological agents, such as bacteria, viruses, or fungi, to cause harm to humans, animals, or plants. These agents can be naturally occurring or intentionally engineered to increase their virulence or infectivity. The use of biological weapons can lead to widespread illness, death, and ecological damage, making them a highly controversial and dangerous form of warfare. The development and production of biological weapons are prohibited under international law, but concerns remain about the possibility of their use by terrorist organizations or rogue states. In short, biological weapons are a severe threat to global health and security.